A driveway gate is a 10 to 15-year commitment that dictates your property's baseline security and daily logistical flow. Yet, property owners routinely flip through catalogs and pick a mechanism based entirely on curb appeal, completely ignoring the hard physical limits of their own driveway. Forcing a system that doesn't fit the space leads to crushed car bumpers and heavily inflated maintenance budgets. A mismatched gate guarantees a burned-out motor and a compromised structural latch over time. To avoid this, you have to run a strict physical audit. You need to determine what mechanism your property's geometry actually demands. Choosing between a swing or sliding gate is a strict compromise between spatial geometry and operational priorities. The architecture comes second. The primary division in the automated gate industry comes down to one factor: the path of motion. A swing gate operates on a pivot point. It moves in an inward or outward sweeping arc, similar to a traditional front door. A sliding gate operates on a linear plane. It moves laterally on a track, rolling completely parallel to the adjacent fence line. This schematic comparing two identical driveways illustrates the core spatial constraint: depth versus width. Look at the swing gate's footprint. A massive amount of your driveway's depth is consumed while a vehicle sits waiting for that inward arc to physically clear the bumper. Compare that to the sliding gate. It tucks directly behind the adjacent fence, leaving the entire depth of the driveway empty. But that efficiency comes at a cost. Sliding gates require a dedicated, completely unobstructed stretch of fence line equal to their entire width. Swing gates aggressively consume your driveway's depth. Sliding gates aggressively consume your lateral property width. This flowchart outlines a logic assessment that prioritizes the unchangeable physical realities of your property over visual preferences. Take scenario 1, a flat driveway with ample depth. This is the ideal environment for a classic swing gate. In this unconstrained space, you get the primary benefits of the swing mechanism: minimal groundwork during installation and extremely quiet operation, since the gate simply pivots on greased hinges. Now consider scenario 2, the steep upward incline. This specific topography is an immediate deal breaker for swing gates. If you try opening a swing gate up a hill, it hits a physical failure state. The bottom edge of the gate leaf will literally grind into the pavement and bottom out. Sliding gates are completely immune to this problem. Because they move sideways across the opening, the upward slope of the driveway does not affect their operation at all. Then we have scenario 3, the short driveway located directly off a busy main road or urban street. A sliding gate is mandatory here. Vehicles can pull up mere inches from the gate, completely clearing the oncoming traffic behind them.